Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to enable ultra dark mode on your iPhone iOS 27. So simply you just open your settings to general and software update. Make sure to update your iOS 27. I'm already updated my iOS 27. So go back, go to your control center, long press, showing it to dark mode. Now it's turn off, now turn on to dark mode. Okay, and long press in your blank screen, press on to customize. Showing it to for different ways, select dark, okay, and press on to dark. And I'm set up to dark wallpaper. So that's it.